Asa,
Yeah.
I'm going to give you a topic and you will talk about it for 1 minute. Do you understand? I want
Yes.
you to describe a song you like. Alright, remember you have 1 to 2 minutes for this, so don't worry if I stop you. I will tell you when the time is up. So,
Okay.
can you start speaking now?
Okay. I'm going to tell you about a song which I like, and this one is my favorite song. The title is No Mellow from Unity, and Unity is boy band or boy group from Indonesia. And then Unity has hip hop songs or pop songs, and then Unity from by One ID Music Agency, and then they are debuted on December 9th, 2019. Unity have Unity have 8 members. There is Fajri, Farhan, Fenli, Vicky, Gilang, Ricky, Shandy, and Switzan. And then for this song, No Mellow, it is about invites to people to be more confident and not dissolve in feelings of sadness. So this song tells us about to keep fighting for our life. And then No Mellow released on September 25th, 2020. But No Mellow, but besides that, Unity have 4 single music video. There is Coba Cintaku, Satu, Pangeran Tidur, Terbunuh Sepi. And No Mellow is fifth of the single. And then why I like this song, it is because the song has a meaningful of the lyric. The No Mellow has meaningful of the lyric, and then visual of the members because they are so handsome. And then the music video was colorful and amazing. No Mellow has colorful in this music video. But you can watch this music video by yourself. And maybe that's all I can say. This is my first time presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.
Okay, Asa, thank you for your presentation.
Okay. Okay, Dea. Now I'm going to give you a topic and you will talk about describe a member of your family you get on well with. And then you have 1 until 2 minutes to describe the topic. So don't worry. If I stop you, I will tell you when the time is up. So can you start speak now?
Okay, Asa. I have got a nuclear family that has only 5 members. All of us love each other very much and we share a strong bond and affection. It is quite hard to pick someone among them. I get on so well. If I had to pick one of them, I will talk about my mother. My mother is very considerate and thoughtful person. When I was small, she took really good care of me, taught me my lessons, and never let me out of her sight. Even now, whenever I have a bad day, she is always there for me and helps me get through it. As I have gotten older, mother has become my best friend. I can share my interests, my career plans, or even things about my love life with them. In fact, anything at all. And during other time, especially when I'm down, she gives me the encouragement that I need to move on. To me, she is a role model who I always look up to follow in her footsteps. She constantly reminds me that I have to give my best in everything I choose to pursue so that I can achieve my goal in this life. Thanks to her advice, I have made significant progress in my personal life. I'll talk of my course. I love I love everyone in my family because she is so special to me. I think that we will always be in touch, just as do now, almost every day. I think that's enough for my presentation. Thank you, Asa.
Okay, thank you, Dea. And the time you describe is 1 minute 49 seconds. Is it good? Thank you.
Thank you.